That rush you feel when you finally clean out that junk drawer, that's not just satisfaction. That's your brain celebrating. Because for some people, decluttering isn't about being neat. It's about control. It's about relief. It's about becoming someone new. There's real psychology behind why letting go feels so powerful. Every item you toss, every shelf you clear, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical behind motivation and reward. That's why decluttering can feel addictive in the best way. You're not just cleaning. You're getting tiny chemical reminders that you're making progress. And your brain loves progress. In a world where so much feels out of your control, your job, your relationships, your future, decluttering becomes one place where you have full authority. You decide what stays. You decide what goes. That sense of control doesn't just clean your space. It calms your nervous system. Studies show cluttered environments increase cortisol, the stress hormone. For anxious or sensitive brains, clutter isn't just messy. It's loud. It's visual noise. Decluttering becomes a coping mechanism, a way to say, I can't fix everything in my life, but I can fix this. And that matters more than people realize. That closet full of clothes you never wear? That's not abundance. That's dozens of tiny decisions every morning. People who love decluttering often want to reduce mental friction. Fewer objects, fewer choices, more mental energy for what actually matters. Decluttering isn't minimalism. It's mental efficiency. Some objects are tied to old versions of you. The hobby you quit. The career you left. The phase of life that's over. When people declutter, they're often saying, I'm not that person anymore. Letting go of objects becomes a quiet act of self-acceptance. It's not rejection. It's growth. Notice how people declutter after breakups, moves, and major life changes. That's not coincidence. An empty shelf isn't just empty. It's possibility. It's breathing room. It's space for the next version of you. So when someone loves to declutter, they're not just cleaning. They're regulating their nervous system. They're managing anxiety. They're reclaiming control. They're letting go of old identities. They're making space for who they're becoming. It was never about the stuff. It was about peace. So if you're someone who loves to declutter, there's nothing wrong with you. You're not obsessed with cleaning. You're listening to what your mind and heart need. And sometimes, letting go of things is how we make room for ourselves. If you enjoy understanding the psychology behind everyday behaviors like this, subscribe to Psychology of Everyday People. Because the small things we do every day often reveal the deepest parts of who we are. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Psychology of Everyday People, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'll see you in the next video.